This is Barry with Christenson Transportation. Wanted to do another segment of our Safety Takes Priority videos. Today I wanted to focus on inspections and violations and places of inspection. So got some data here that I'm going to start with. Where do we get inspected the most? And as you can imagine, we have terminals in Tennessee with a regional operation, Missouri. So those are our top two places. Tennessee was by far the most inspections. Indiana had a lot, California had a lot, Missouri had a lot. So the places that we're seeing all the time is where we get stopped. After you have an inspection, that's when they discover violations. So Georgia, Indiana, California are the biggest places where we're getting written up. And there's a common theme to what we're getting written up for. Speeding, 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 left lane, speeding, left lane, speeding. So, it's pretty simple to control some of these things. You drive the speed limit and you stay out of the left lane. If you do that, 85% of our problems go away. And once again, these problems go on our CSA. They go on your PSP. So 3 years, that violation is going to stick with you. 3 years, that violation is going to stick with Christenson. And 3 years, that violation is going to affect other drivers in the fleet. And it's not their fault. Probably 80% of this fleet has no violations. And it's the old 80-20 accounting rule. 20% cause you problems. So we started posting this. We're going to post it to the fleet. We're going to post it to our videos. We're going to post it to the website of here's where we got stopped. Here's what the violation was. And here's the person that did it. So, if you want to keep your name off the list and off the website and off the video, keep it off the inspection report. So that's just a little bit, the problem is drivers, they always have an excuse. I would imagine that before any of you had your CDLs, the places where we had the most problems, Indiana, California, Tennessee, those speed limits and those no left lane places have always been that way. They didn't change the laws or the speeds overnight. Being in the pack, so to say, and I was in with 10 other trucks and they only stopped me. 47 wrongs don't make one right. So take those excuses, keep them to yourself. They don't fly. Stay in the right lane, do the speed limit, and you're going to get to where you're going a whole lot quicker than sitting on the side of the road getting tickets. So let's be smart. Do it for yourself. Do it for Christenson. And most of all, do it for your fellow drivers. When we get a pattern, they start enforcing that pattern. People call in the other say, my drive-wise, my pre-pass doesn't work. Well, yeah, it does. It's just pulling you in the scale because your numbers are going up. And it's not fair to everybody. So be safe, be aware, do your pre-trips, drive the speed limit, and stay out of that left lane. And I won't have to do this segment anymore. We can move on to happier things. So be safe, have a great day, and we'll see you next time on Safety Takes Priority at Christenson Transportation.